In this episode, photography and phonography hacks. Want to replicate this photo? It's very easy, I teach you. Here's how. First, you find a very dark setting, something like an evening background. Use a DSLR, set it to shutter speed 13, aperture f16 and ISO 100. Then with your iPhones or your handphones, your smartphones, any kind of phone, even just a torchlight, okay? On the torchlight and then write whatever you want to write. All these, of course, with the shutter button already pressed down. And then you will see this picture come to life. Very simple. Check it out. This is probably the most logical hack, but it also requires some form of effort from you. All you need is a PET bottle filled with water and 2 rubber bands to secure your phone to the PET bottle. Use the PET bottle, the weighted PET bottle, as a stabilizer. Get your model to pose within your stipulated area. When she variates a number of poses, all you need to do is switch the camera around, turn it to panorama mode, and there you have it. Shoot away. When taking photos, sunlight is your best friend. All you need is 1 sheet of blank paper to make your photos look absolutely stunning. Find somewhere, let's say anywhere that you like, but that place might be backlit. In the presence of sun, use the white paper to reflect the sunlight towards your face, and voila! The photo becomes instantly better. Similar to how people always use reflectors during photo shoots, this piece of white paper here could be a real lifesaver, and it could really give you Instagram-worthy photos. Did you know that your phone camera is actually capable of so much more? This could be one function you're totally underutilizing, and it is the auto function lock. When doing personal video recordings, hold down on your screen and let it autofocus lock on you. And you don't even have to care whether people walk past or not because the focus will only be on you. So that brings us to the end of our phonography and photography hacks. If you tried some of them and you're successful, remember to share them and tag us. If it doesn't work, well, keep trying, it works. Also, if you like what you see, remember to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments below what other hacks we should do for you. Till next time, I'm Timo. Bye.